Herbal toothpaste tayo, people. What is the name of our product? Natural Essentials. People, herbal toothpaste that contains what? Bee propolis tea tree mere extract. What is the function? They have an antibacterial property. Fourth and fifth, piperbital aloe vera. And they will try to repair the gums of your oral cavity. Guys, bilang doktor po ng kumpanya, marami na rin po ako naging pasyente po. Either distributor po or mga invites po nila. And some of them are suffering from stomatitis or singaw. Let me ask you, kayo ho ba yung nagkaroon na po ng singaw? Masakit ba ang singaw? Hindi ka makakain sa sobrang sakit. Let's be realistic with these people. Every time I give the product, in a matter of 2 to 3 days, average po yun 2 to 3 days po, yung singaw po nila magaling na po. Why again? Because of piperbital and aloe vera. Now, kung maganda po yung 5 herbs na binanggit ko po, guys, hagarin ko na why. Because our product complete that contains 16,000 phytonutrients is also part of our toothpaste. So look what will happen here. If you will brush your teeth, guys, as you brush your teeth, the components of complete will enter the blood vessels to circulate your body. So what will be the end product? Healthy na yung mouth mo, healthy pa yung body natin. So ang tanong ko, maganda ba ang produktong Natural Essentials na yung global? Pangapang natin naman na siya, guys. Now, matanong ko kayo, masarap ko ba minsang tayo po yung nagre-relax? Yes. Masarap ba malasin Yes. Lalo na kung may ka-holding hands, maluwanag ko tayo, no? Pag wala po malungkot. Pero kinig sa tipo ng global product, ang katayap number 1 dito sa Pilipinas, SM Cinema. Sabay-sabay po. Anong pangalan po ng produkto natin? Loyalty card. So, Doc, what is the so-called E+ loyalty card? Entertainment, privileges, lifestyles, upgrades, surprises. Initially, you're going to pay 300 pesos. Tama? Ano lang laman ng 300 pesos mo? Guys, loaded ka na ng 2 movies. Loaded ka na po ng 2 movies. At tanda mo, hindi ka na maglalabas ng cash card na ang gagamitin mo. Card! Maliwanag po. So, social. Maliwanag po tayo po. Pero kaganda, ang paborito ko dito, guys, nanonood ka ng sine, dapat may ginunguya ka. Tama ba tayo doon? People may libre. Anong libre po? Drinks up, popcorn. Maliwanag po tayo. Pero initially, guys, walang biro, kidding aside. Ito, abuti ka na ng more than 100 di ba? Or 100 pesos na kagad dyan. Drinks and popcorn, libre yan. What else? Meron ka pang discount sa mga tie-ups po ng SM. And yung mga old movies po nila, 50% automatic discounted ka na kagad. Now, kung subukan ka magmerienda pa aside from the drinks and popcorn, may 5% ka pang discount from the snack bars. Ano pa po? Naubos yung 300, nag-reload ka na 500. People, walang problema. Bakit po? Consumable pa rin yan sa lahat ng sining papanoorin mo. At ang kagandahan, hindi mawawala pag nag-reload ka. Ano po yun? Yung free drinks and popcorn. Maliwanag ko tayo. Ano talaga po, maganda ba ang loyalty card ng ngayong global? Palapakan natin naman kasi guys, okay? Now, I do believe that we always save the best for the last. Tama po. Ito na po yung isa pang pinakamagandang produkto at pinakabagong produkto ng ngayong global. Sabay-sabay na rin po. People, anong pangalan po?